Genesis Connect are proud to announce the launch of the Give Energy battery storage range in Romania. We offer bespoke solutions to energy storage and are proud to partner with Give Energy to deliver their market-leading products. Give Energy are the largest UK-owned manufacturer of commercial and residential battery systems with state-of-the-art integrated control technology. With Give Energy as one of our shareholders, we are able to provide unrivaled order-to-installation lead times and security of supply. Our team at Genesis Connect have a proven track record of delivering Give Energy projects, including into UK state hospitals. This makes our Romanian-based team the ideal partner to deliver innovative battery technology and renewable projects. Give Energy are the UK's #1 energy storage system manufacturer in both sales and brand recognition, with contracted sales this year exceeding £250 million. Give Energy systems are the preferred system for utility companies such as E.ON and Octopus Energy. With industry-leading environmental credentials, all components are fully recyclable and sourced from ethically sound companies. The Give Energy systems are cobalt-free, reducing fire risk. Renewable energy is unpredictable and unreliable. By storing excess energy in batteries, it can be delivered when most needed and when the greatest value can be achieved.
Give Energy are the UK's largest manufacturer of energy storage systems, both domestically and commercially as a package. We supply to the likes of E.ON that have chosen us over all of the competition to be their #1 energy storage system.
One of the main benefits of using a Give Energy battery is the cell technology itself. We only supply and manufacture lithium iron phosphate cell technology. Now, key features around the cell technology itself is it's inert, it's non-flammable, it's fully recyclable, it has a very wide operating temperature range, which means it doesn't require that additional heating or cooling to maintain the temperature of the battery pack. The system has been designed as a vertically integrated system, whereby the inverter and battery pack communicate as one to get the most out of the system. Solar panels only generate when the sun's shining. Wind turbines generate when the wind's blowing. Unfortunately, this causes a lot of instability and it unbalances the network. To achieve net zero, we can use energy storage or batteries to store that excess or that additional renewable energy and allow it to be used at peak demand time when the demand on the grid is higher. Here at Give Energy, we have our very own research and development team working on new products, new solutions to build the Give Energy ecosystem.
Give Energy is fully vertically integrated. That means that we have control over the manufacture of all the different components of our systems. So we have our cell manufacturing plant where all the battery cells are produced and tested. We have our assembly plant, which is where all the battery cells are put into a battery pack and all put together and tested as a full unit. And then we have our facility where we produce our inverters, and that allows us to ensure that all the systems can talk together. So all of our control systems can all communicate to each other, and if we do ever have any new requirements, we can do the software logic to implement that. So the battery storage systems can be used in many different ways, and they can be used to maximise the self-consumption from solar panels, any sort of generation, including wind and hydro even. That energy is stored when there is excess generation, and it can be used later on in the day to benefit the generation source for a longer period. So in terms of resilience, the systems can be used in a number of different ways. They can provide power in the event of a grid failure. So if the site was to lose its grid supply, we can keep that site energised and maintain the operations within the building. They can also be used to smooth out a poor electrical supply. So if the incoming electrical supply is not up to standards, we can actually run the incoming supply through our system and then offer a nice, smooth, stable grid voltage. One of our other benefits is the access to all the control and the data. So we offer full control of the systems, and we can get that set up so they can be controlled either by the client or internally by our own software logic. All of the systems also report to our monitoring portal so that the end user or client can see all the data and how the system is operating and benefiting them. All Give Energy systems come with our proprietary operating logic, and all of that logic is written in-house by our engineers. So One of the things we do is monitor each cell voltage individually. That ensures that all of the battery systems down to cell level are operating as designed. The operating logic that we use is, as I say, fully customised, so if there is a requirement that's not been achieved before, so if it's a grid service that you're trying to run and that's the purpose of the system, we can design our control logic to work with the input signal from the aggregator. All Give Energy products come with a throughput warranty. We don't operate a cycle-based warranty like some other manufacturers. This offers a more flexible warranty solution because it is based upon the actual throughput, which is the charge and discharge of the battery added together. Inside here are our battery packs. These particular units are 10.8 kilowatt hours, and inside each pack you'll find a BMS. The BMS is the safety device to make sure the system is operating within its allowable tolerances. All of these battery packs are wired back to the DC cabinet in the other side, and these are fully flexible so you can have a system of the size of your requirements. The cables from the battery packs come into this DC cabinet. This cabinet contains all the safety controls to make sure everything is operating within allowable tolerances, and on this screen here you can see all the individual battery percentages and voltages. This system also contains the EMS. This is our energy management system, and this is the unit that contains the logic that controls the power flow on the site. So if this is working alongside a solar system, we can use the excess energy from the solar system to charge the batteries up during the day and then get the system to discharge to meet the demand of the site later on. The power from this DC cabinet then comes onto the PCS. The PCS is the power conversion system, more commonly known as an inverter, and this is what converts the DC energy into the AC that the site can use. This unit can also smooth out an unstable grid system, so we can have the grid voltage coming into the PCS, and then when it comes out of the output side, it will be nice and stabilised. Also, it allows us to do the backup power in the event of a grid failure.
Give Energy have a proven track record of delivering battery projects for government organisations. Multiple innovative systems have been delivered to the UK's National Health Service, including a major UK hospital.
We have settled on the Give Energy technology through a process of public tendering. We worked very closely in-house and developed a very robust specification, which included the ability to have a fully recyclable product at the end of its life, the ability to minimise its impact on the natural environment, which is cobalt-free, the ability to deliver a lower risk solution in terms of fire and fire precautions and fire protection. And we detailed all of this in the specification, went to the public tender, and Give Energy was a successful provider and won the tender for the process. The Give Energy team have been extremely professional and helpful during the course of this contract. We have delivered what is quite a unique solution in a very complex site, and in terms of being flexible and professional in their approach to help meet the needs of the hospital, they were second to none. The battery installation is designed to run in two phases. The first phase being primary resilience for the hospital site, and the second phase being training and being able to participate in the market. Both sides run together. The plan here is to run this battery for a maximum of 5 minutes at a time in the event of a power failure situation before the generators kick in. And that allows us then to plan for multiple failures. We will still use our standby generation, but the operation of the site will be absolutely and completely seamless.
Bringing state-of-the-art technology to the Romanian market, Genesis Connect are the perfect partner to facilitate the installation of innovative battery systems. A fully vertically integrated manufacturer. A Romanian-based team. The largest British-owned battery company. Environmentally friendly and fully recyclable systems using ethically sourced materials. All systems guaranteed to be cobalt-free with mitigating fire risk. Industry-leading software and control technology. An in-house R&D team. Multiple system applications including resilience, energy trading, power quality and load shifting. Genesis Connect are the ideal partner to select to deliver your battery storage and renewable energy projects.